Hello everybody, welcome to EduTap. So today formally in this particular video, we are announcing our PFRD Grade A 2025 Phase 1 plus Phase 2 full crash course, or you can say live crash course. Now before I tell you the details about this particular crash course, EduTap is again giving you one free ebook which will help you to understand the detailed syllabus for the upcoming PFRD Grade A 2025. First of all, I will let you know that why you have to download this ebook, because see, this will give you a detailed coverage of the topics which are mentioned on the notification. We all know that the topics which are mentioned in the notification are just indicative, they are not exhaustive. But once you download this particular ebook, which is absolutely free, you will get the list of detailed topics, and this will help you to cover the entire syllabus of PFRD Grade A comprehensively. Okay, so you can download this particular ebook from the link which is given in the description box below. Moving forward, this is our PFRD Grade A Phase 1 plus Phase 2 live crash course, and currently we are launching it with a huge discount of 70%, and the code is LCC70. Okay, moving forward, that what you will get in this particular course, first of all of your doubts will be taken care of. Okay, why? Because we have a dedicated discussion forum cell wherein you can post your doubts and we will reply you within next 24 hours. Moreover, we also have a dedicated email facility. Moreover, we also have the facility of one-on-one call. Moreover, you also have live classes over here, so you can directly join the live class and ask your doubts to the mentor directly. First of all, for your phase 1 paper 1 component, which is your QRE plus current affairs, you are getting what? Live classes for quant, reasoning and English, 6 live classes for quant, 6 live classes for reasoning, 6 live classes for English also, which will help you to score good in the PFRD Grade A Phase 1 Paper 1. Moreover, you are also getting previous year question and the quizzes if you purchase this particular course. Okay, for current affair, again you are getting 6 live classes which will cover the current affair of last 3 months. Moreover, you are also getting downloadable magazines, and you are also getting quizzes to practice on multiple topics related to current affairs. So if you practice this much, then definitely your PFRD Grade A Phase 1 Paper 1 is more than enough covered in our course. Okay, so you do not have to refer to any other course, or you do not have to refer to any other material as well. Okay, mind you, my friends, the live classes for phase 1 paper 1, which includes your quant, reasoning and English and current affairs, we have dedicated 6 live classes for each component: quant, reasoning, English and current affair. So a total of 24 live classes you will get when it comes to the phase 1 paper 1, and all these live classes will be conducted in the morning 7 to 9 a.m. so that all the working aspirants can also join it. And by chance, if you miss this particular live class, then don't worry, we will supply you, or we will provide you rather, the video of the live class which was conducted in your course. Moreover, you will also get the PDF which the teacher is using in the live class. So this is how we will again say that we are comprehensively covering all the syllabus in this particular crash course. Then comes your spatial components. Okay, I will come to the mocks a bit later, but let's talk about the spatial components. By spatial components, I mean commerce and accounts, you have costing, you have Companies Act, you have economics, you have finance, management and pension. So for all these 7 components, you are again getting live classes. Okay, now I can let you know that for commerce and accounts there are 13 classes. Likewise for costing, again there are 9 classes. So if you do the total number of live classes in this particular course, they are more than 85 plus, including the phase 1 paper 1 classes. Okay, so don't worry, for all the live classes we are bringing a good quality team. Like Santosh sir will teach you commerce and accounts, costing also will be taught by him, Companies Act also will be taught by him, and he has a major student fan following because he teaches the subjects of commerce and accounts, costing and Companies Act in the best manner as possible. Moreover, I will be teaching you some chapters of finance and the entire management part. Jaskaran sir will teach you some part of finance. Moreover, Kritika ma'am will be looped in to teach you economics, and I will again be back to teach you the component of pension. So this is how we are comprehensively covering all the 7 spatial components of your PFRD Grade A Phase 1 Paper 2 and PFRD Grade A Phase 2 Paper 2, because the syllabus of Phase 1 Paper 2 is equivalent, or it is same only when it comes to phase 2 paper 2 as well. So we will be conducting live classes by making sure that we can target both the phases. Okay, and yes, we will start the live classes by assuming that you are at a 0 level, and slowly by steadily, once you complete all the live classes, you will see that yes, you are learning with us and you are increasing your confidence as well. Mind you, my friends, the morning slot, that is 7 to 9, is dedicated to phase 1 paper 1, But your phase 2 paper 2 classes, or you can say phase 1 paper 2 classes, or you can say the spatial components classes, will be held from 6:30 to 8:30. But this is just the prescribed time. I know when I start when I start a live class, it starts on time, but it generally ends at 9 p.m. So it will be 2.5 to 3 hour class because we have to cover a lot of components. And again, this is a live crash course. This is not a shortcut course. So if you join this particular course, make sure that you are targeting comprehensive preparation with us. We will tell you some smart study tips. We will revise with you. We will do a lot of MCQs also. But please do not ask me for shortcuts, sir, ये करके जाऊं, ये नहीं करके जाऊं. We will tell you important topics, but we will not take any shortcuts because the exam requires all about war. You are in war, and if you are in the war, you cannot take any shortcuts, right? Along with the live classes, you are getting downloadable summary sheet plus multiple quizzes to practice and plus previous year questions also. So this again makes sure what I am again repeating it, that this is a comprehensive course. Okay, and with phase 1 and phase 2 mocks added, you will have 5 full length mock tests for phase 1 paper 1, 5 full length mock tests for phase 1 paper 2 as well. For phase 2, you will get 5 full length mock tests for phase 2 paper 1 and 5 full length mock tests for phase 2 paper 2. And don't worry, we will again conduct some live classes once your phase 1 is conducted, but those live classes will only be conducted for phase 2 paper 1. Okay, I again say this particular thing for you. Once your phase 1 is conducted, we will conduct live classes only for your phase 2 paper 1, which is descriptive English. Now you might ask me, sir, why we are not conducting the live classes again for phase 2 paper 2? Because simply we are teaching you for the phase 2 in the initial phase 1 only, because the syllabus is same. So what we can also do, yes, we will make sure that once your phase 1 is cleared, you have to solve all the quizzes which is given in the course. So be ready. We are coming up with this particular crash course, and this is action oriented. If you join this particular course, my friend, whatever you have done in the past, it doesn't matter. What we will do is we will start from zero and we will take you to the highest level as possible. So this course is currently live on our website. You can go and see the course as well. That's it for this particular video. And if you have any special I would say what special requests from EduTap, then please let us know in the comment box. But please understand that this live course is the last option of yours to prepare for PFRD Grade A, at least from our end. So we have launched gold also, silver also for PFRD Grade A. Test series is also launched, and now we are offering you another course which is PFRD Grade A Crash Course. Those students who have gold and silver courses of EduTap for PFRDA, then you don't have to purchase this particular crash course. Okay, because live classes will happen in your respective folders also, or in your respective classes also. Yes, if you have test series, then you have to purchase this course if you are looking for live classes. Okay, and if you purchase this crash course, then there is no need to purchase test series alag se. So please understand that what course you need, tailor made according to your preparations. Okay, and if you need some assistance that you are not able to understand which course is good for you, you can call us on 8146207241. Our team will be available to you from 9 to 6 to help you in all the regards on all your queries. Moreover, you can also email us on hello@edutab.co.in. So that's it for this particular video, my friends. We all are ready with 85 plus live classes. Now let's see you in the classes and hope to see you on the other end. Bye bye and have a good day ahead.